We recently remodeled this location. As you can see, the location looks beautiful on the outside, looks equally as beautiful on the inside. Renovations included exam technology, improved lighting, and more streamlined store layout to improve both patient flow and the overall customer experience.
Guests have already shared how much they love the opening layout and the brighter lighting. It creates a warm, inviting atmosphere as they take care of their vision needs. This event celebrates not just a beautifully remodeled space, but it also the journey we've taken together as a team or a community.
It's a story of community pride, local investment, and small business sustainability in a beloved neighborhood. Longe Optical's North Anthony stores proudly served Fort Wayne for over 60 years, during which time multiple generations of families have come to rely on this location for their eye care needs.
12 years ago, when Chuck Surek bought Longe Optical, there was a lot of uncertainty about the direction of this corridor, and this has been an anchor as North Anthony has continued to grow and prosper, and as the neighborhoods have continued to reinvent themselves.
As the North Anthony area experiences a broader renaissance, our remodel reflects a commitment to preserving history while investing in the future.
And what's really key and impressive here is the commitment to reinvest in the community, to see that there's value and continuing to pour more into the communities and the businesses that we have here in Allen County.
There are over 70,000 people that live within a 3-mile radius of this store. The dedication to this location is not just good business sense, but it proves just how wonderful Longe Optical's vision continues to be.
With our advanced technology, our in-house lab, and our state-of-the-art science equipment, we ensure that every patient receives best in both service and care. Every day, every time, every interaction, we aim to provide a sweet, personalized, guided experience to everyone who walks through the doors.
My personal story, I walked into a Longe about 3 years ago. The glasses I'm still wearing today are those that they chose for me. The staff, the training, the care that they put in to how you take care of each person that walks through the door really does set that bar of customer service for our community.
We're so grateful for this remodel, and we're even more excited to showcase it to the community.
We couldn't be more proud to have you in our community, and thank you so much for your investment.
I'm super excited to be a part of this company, super excited to be a part of this renovation, and I'm excited what it means for Longe Optical moving forward.